Welcome to Chima Spiritual TV, where spirituality is our watchword. Please consider subscribing, like our videos, share our videos, and comment on the comment section. Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chima Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I will be sharing with us a recipe that you can use to banish evil spirit, to banish every follow demon, to banish that evil man, that evil woman that has sworn that they will never have you rest, that has been attacking your family, attacking your finances, attacking your household. Yes, I have come to tell you what you will use, just 2 ingredients that will help you to banish evil spirit. All you need to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. You are welcome back to Chima Spiritual TV. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipe, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you solve your spiritual problem, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plants, natural roots, natural herbs that God has created, harnessing their spiritual power, spiritual energies, frequencies, and vibration in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. And if you are just joining us for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video. On your right hand side, turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos to the whole world, to your families, to your friends, to your well-wishers. Share this video to them. You might be a soul saver to someone who is out there that needs this kind of message. And as you do this, may God bless you. And for you, my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, those of you who has been my backbone, those of you who brought me this far, you know who you are. Those of you who has been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, those of you who has been trusting me even without seeing me, entrusting their money in my hand to do spiritual work for them, I say whatsoever that made you to come in contact with this channel, my God will solve it for you. And so shall it be. Without wasting each and every one of your time, today's video is going to be very snappy. Yes, it's going to be very snappy, and I will be outspoken. For those of you who has been looking or who has been searching for a spiritual recipe or a spiritual tips in order to banish evil spirit, has that evil spirit been tormenting you? And you have been doing so many recipes, you have been practicing so many YouTubers recipes, and that spirit keep tormenting you. Has they assigned monitoring agent, monitoring spirit in your life, that whenever you walk inside your apartment, you see people's shadows? Whenever you walk inside your apartment, you experience someone. It's as if you are there with somebody. This is a monitoring spirit. This is an evil that has been assigned with you. In that apartment where you are living, you clean everywhere now and then. You even clean the ceilings. But whenever you come inside your apartment, you see wall gecko everywhere. You see cobwebs everywhere. You experience unnecessary ants on the floor. You experience cockroaches all over the places. It is not ordinary. The evil one, the wicked people, those your enemies, most of them change into those necessary animals to come to your house, to attack you, to cause stagnation, to cause poverty, to cause delay, to cause backwardness, to cause rising and falling, to cause hatred. They are there to siphon your blessing. They are there to listen to the next step you are going to take, how you are going to get liberated, where you are going to go to get freedom. They are listening. After listening to you, they will return back to their altar. They will return back to the evil man or to the evil woman that have assigned them to your house. They will go and give that man your report, and that man will start to manipulate you. That man will start to be going from one places to the other in order to cage your spirit. I have come for you now. Listen to me. If you are looking for something to banish evil spirit, those evil spirit that has been assigned for you, go and get me clothes. All you need is clothes. And these cloves, we know what cloves is all about. I have taught us about cloves. Yes, cloves helps you in repairing charms. Cloves attracts love, it attracts money, and it banish evil spirit. So we are going to be using clove. We are going to be harnessing the spiritual energy that is inside cloves in order to banish that strong evil spirit that has been attacking you, making your children to fall sick. In the daytime, your children are okay, but at night you see them falling sick, even you yourself. Those are evil that has been assigned on your behalf. All you need is clove. Another item you are going to be needing is your garlic. We all know the power that garlic possesses. We have so many spiritual benefits of garlic, both known and unknown. Garlic help you to stop evil attack. Garlic removes bad luck. Garlic also draws good fortune. Garlic destroys charm. Garlic confuse your enemies. You can use garlic to confuse your enemy. To keep away from the witches, garlic can do all this job. So we are going to be using garlic, cloves, and another item is your salt, sea salt, table salt, pink Himalayan salt, black salt, stone salt, and so on and so forth. That is what we'll be needing for this. But before I go on to tell you how you are going to mix this mixture in order to send that evil to flight, in order to banish those evil spirits, those follow demon, I would like to introduce my product here because it is called Walk and Chop. Now where you dey walk, now there you dey chop. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. Listen and listen very carefully as I'm advertising them. We have the curse breaking soap. If you are under the manipulation of any curse from your generation, curse from your paternal side, from your maternal side, from any human being that is created by God, by using this curse breaking soap to take your bait, every curse will be broken. If you are here, your road has been blocked, you are suffering from blockages, setback, hatred, we have the road opening soap. When you are using this soap to take your bait, your road will be opening. You will be receiving favor. Anything you do, you will receive a positive answer to it. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. If you are under witchcraft activities, has the witchcraft been sucking your body? Has they been tearing your body with razor blade with their finger? Have they been making you fall sick? Has they been sucking your blood and you are dying slowly? We have the anti-witchcraft soap. When you are using this soap to take your bait, no witchcraft activities will affect you in your body, in your spirit. We also have the back to sender soap. For those of you who are in Europe, in Asia, in America, in South America, that they have been sending evil spirit, evil arrow, evil enchantment to, we have the back to sender soap. Whenever you are using this soap to bathe, no matter what any man does or any woman, that will return back to sender. We have the cleansing bad detox in case you have been suffering. When you do spiritual work, it doesn't work for you. When others go and do something, it will work for them. When you enter this business, it's working for people. But when you enter there, your own case will be another case. You need this cleansing bad detox. When you use it to take your bait, your things will be okay. We have the Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the moving object remover. No matter how many years you have been suffering from that sickness, is it something you ate in the dream that become the possession of the evil ones? Something is crawling all over your body. It's crawling from your head, from your brain to your chest. You feel something like snake moving inside your belly. It is crawling to your anus, even to your pecus. It's crawling down your leg. I have the antidote to your problem. It's called Equable Plus Detox, anti-witchcraft moving object remover, anti-witchcraft poison remover. This product is tested and trusted. I can beat up my chest 100 times and tell you because a lot of people has purchased it and it has cured them from that moving object. If you need it, you call my number +2347088136610. We have the favor soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We have the harm me not soap. If you are afraid that your enemies, your friends are going to harm you, this soap, when you are using it to bait, no evil arrow, no man, no woman will harm you. We have the Stop Evil Oil. We have the 99 Demon Manipulation Stop Evil Oil. We also have our blessed bracelets, protection bracelets, attraction bracelets, etc. and so on and so forth. And we are here to solve your spiritual problem. If you have any spiritual problem, you want us to join our faith together to put an end. Remember, my number is +2347088136610. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. God bless you. Thank you. If you have never subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, and God bless you. Let me not waste your time. Let me bring the cat out of the bag. In order to banish every evil spirit, every evil utterances, every follow demon, every monitoring spirit in your home, in your business, in your vicinity, all you need is 21 pieces of clove. 21 pieces of clove. And with a little jar like this, a plastic keg, you are going to put the clove inside the plastic keg, the way I am doing it now. Another item you will be needing is your garlic clove. Look at my garlic clove. What you will be needing is 7 pieces of garlic clove. 7 is a perfection. 7 is a perfection number. So you are going to use that perfection number, the spirit of 7. You add it. Sorry, I am doing it because of time. Remember, you need to peel off the back. You need to peel off the back. 1, 2. It has to be 7. 3, 4, 5, 6. It has to be 7. 7, complete number. 7. Now you put your 7 garlic. Another item you will be needing. We are doing this to banish evil spirit. Evil spirit of any man, evil spirit of any woman. Any evil spirit, from any man, from any woman that has been assigned to destroy your destiny, to destroy your family, to destroy your life. Look at how you are going to deal with them. How they are going to leave your vicinity. How they are going to leave your premises. How they are going to leave your business places. 21 pieces of garlic clove. 21 pieces of garlic. 21 pieces of clove. 7 pieces of garlic. 21 pieces of clove. 7 pieces of garlic. You take a little sea salt. Yes. You can add 1 spoon of sea salt. This one I'm preparing is for myself. Yes. Then another item you will be needing is water. Water that fights every battle. Water that has no enemy. Every human being on earth drinks this water. Even the fowls of the earth, the birds of the earth, the spirit, the animals, they drink water. So you use water because there is power in water. You fill it with water. Yes. Look at this. After filling it with this water, all you need to do is to close it. You have to make your prayers. Any man, any woman that has assigned every evil spirit, by this reason of this recipe, I am using this to banish every evil spirit, every follow demon, every demon on assignment, extracting my blessing, making me to fall sick. You evil spirit that I am seeing the image in my house, as I spread this around my room, around my vicinity, I command you, the owners of evil load, carry your load. This place is not your dwelling place. Yes. After making that prayer, cover the bottle. When you finish making your prayer, shake it for 7 times. That is the perfection times. Then go and keep this bottle with the water inside, with the garlic and the clove and the salt. Keep it at a place for good 4 days. When it is 4 days, it is good for you to use it. Then how are you going to be using this? You are going to be spraying this every night in your house. That place you live, in your room. You start from your room to your sitting room to outside your house. Spray it and command every spirit, every evil spirit that is under assignment on this vicinity, command them to leave. Do this every night for 7 days. You will never experience any evil spirit around your vicinity. If they are attacking you in your business, carry it to your business place. Do it in the morning and you will begin to make sense. If you are not making any sense before, If customers has been leaving you and buying other people's goods, go and try this out and come back with your testimony. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video. If there's anything you don't understand I say on here, please put it on the comment section, and don't hesitate to like my videos. Share these videos to your friends and well-wishers. Comment on the comment section, and if you need me to do anything for you, don't hesitate to call me on the phone. +2347088136610. That is my number. God bless you. See you in my next video.